To prepare this serum, we'll be making use of aloe vera gel. So I'm using my store-bought aloe vera gel for this. This is the best option for this if you don't want the serum to be watery. Aloe vera gel here helps in soothing sunburn on the skin. It helps to moisturize the skin, it shrinks open pores, and it also smoothens the skin. This aloe vera gel also helps to brighten the skin. It helps draws out dirt from the skin and also moisturizes and clears the skin. The next ingredient I'll use for this is turmeric. And turmeric here helps to brighten the skin. It contains a natural skin brightening agent, which is curcumin, that helps to brighten the skin. It helps to fade dark spots and dark areas on the skin. Turmeric has antioxidant properties, which helps to fight acne on the skin. Turmeric has antioxidant and antibacterial properties, which helps to fight acne and pimples on the skin. The next ingredient I'll be using is lemon, and lemon is a natural skin brightening agent because it helps to fade dark areas on the skin. This is not going to whiten the skin, but it's going to help lighten it up, help get rid of discoloration, remove dark spots, dark patches naturally. That's because it has a good amount of vitamin C in it. The next ingredient I'll use for this is glycerin, and I'm using my vegetable glycerin from Nature's Oil. So I got this from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box to where you can get it as well. Vegetable glycerin here is very good when used on the skin because it acts as a natural humectant, which helps to draw in moisture from the environment to the skin. So it helps get rid of dryness on the skin. If you suffer from dryness, this is really good, and this is not going to clog your pores because it is not oil based at all. It's not oily. It is just a natural it's a humectant that helps to draw in moisture to the skin. And I have an optional ingredient here which is apricot kernel oil. So in place of apricot kernel oil, you can make use of grapeseed oil or rosehip oil. That is if you have a normal or dry skin. If you have an oily skin or acne prone skin, then this is the ingredients that you will have to skip. So that is because acne prone skin or oily skin is very prone to getting clogged. So although this oil is a light oil that penetrates fast into the skin type is different. People's skin types are different, which means that this may not clog one oily skin's pore, but it may clog another. So that is why I advise you just keep using an oil totally in this treatment if you have oily skin or acne prone skin. If not, it may cause you to break out. So to prepare this, I'll just get a small bowl like this. First of all, I will go in with my aloe vera gel. I'm just pressing in about 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel into this. 2 tablespoons rather of aloe vera gel into this. So this is the quantity of aloe vera gel I'm using for this treatment. It is about 2 tablespoonfuls of aloe vera gel. The next ingredient I'll be adding here is turmeric. And for the turmeric, I'm going to add a little bit of it at the tip of my teaspoon. After the turmeric, I'll go in with my vegetable glycerin, and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of glycerin to this. After adding glycerin, I'll go in and add my lemon juice. So I'm using the fresh lemon juice here, and I'm using 1 teaspoon. If you don't have the fresh lemon, you can make use of your store-bought lemon juice. So just pick up a lemon juice from the supermarket and you can replace that with your fresh lemon if you don't have access to fresh lemon. Now here is what it looks like, and I'll go ahead and mix it very well. So you want to mix this very well, because at first when you are mixing this, it will turn to you will have a watery consistency, but keep mixing it and then it will become thick. So you can see the consistency that we have. Let me come closer. Now this is our consistency. You'll be able to achieve this consistency if you are using a store-bought aloe vera gel. Wow. I'm still stirring it very well. And when you are preparing this, you want to make use of a bigger bowl. Because my bowl is very small, it's spilling a lot, so it has spilled all over my fingers and on the floor. So make use of a bigger bowl when preparing this, so to avoid the spillage and wastage. After mixing it, I'll get a small container and I'm going to store this in here. And here is what our turmeric night serum looks like. So what you want to do with this is go ahead and apply it at night before bed. So after cleansing your face very well, apply this and go to bed with it. So you can sleep with this, but be careful not to stain your bedspread or your sheet when you use this. Okay, to apply this, go to bed and wash it off in the next morning. This is going to help fade out dark areas on your skin, fade out dark spots, and help brighten your skin. So this is something that you want to use repeatedly. So it's not a one-off something, because it is made with natural ingredients, and natural ingredients requires patience for you to get your desired result. So you can store this in your refrigerator and then use it whenever you want to make use of it. Take it out of your refrigerator, use it and put it back. It's also going to help soothe your skin and make your face to relax and tighten in the process. So when you want to use this is what you will do. You take out a little bit like this and then apply it. This is very smooth on the skin, so just apply it evenly like this all over your skin. and allow it to absorb. If you notice, I did not add any oil to this. That is because if you have dry skin, I'll advise you add the oil. But if your skin isn't dry at all, then there is no need of adding that oil. So just go ahead and apply this, allow it to sit. This will dry, so you allow it to sit on your skin like this until the next morning, and you wash it off. You are going to see great result. Okay, so do try this out and let me know your result in the comment section. Okay, and also I forgot to mention, there is no need of adding a preservative to this. Just store this in your refrigerator. Don't prepare too much. Just prepare something that you can use for maybe 1 week, and then after 1 week you prepare another one. So that will do, and there will be no need for you to add any preservative to this.